Vybz Kartel has officially launched its VK Vybz Kartel Empire Gaza line of clothing with a business partner under the management of his common law wife Shorty, of course. There's an official online website where you can purchase these items. This is a quality line of casual clothing, so let us show our appreciation and respect by supporting the authentic brand and not the Chinese bootleg. This line includes sexy women's lingerie, bandanas, slippers, hats, t-shirts, women's shorts, etc., etc. Here are samples. There was a special emphasis placed on the fact that these gym shorts are for ladies because it is obvious that the world boss was not comfortable with men walking around with VK Vybz Kartel on the back of their shorts. This is a very good look for Vybz Kartel because his name and image are indeed potentially lucrative brand. He is the face of dancehall, and dancehall is one of the biggest and hypest genre of music out there right now. It is good to see Vybz Kartel have the business sense to capitalize on his name, talent and likeness. What this means is that once it is copywritten and trademarked, he will own all rights to his brand and can collect royalties from his brand through licensing to other distributors. Vybz Kartel is getting to that legendary status, so that qualifies him as a world brand or a household name. Most people who are fans of music or more directly fans of dancehall knows Vybz Kartel as that name that is most prominent with dancehall. Vybz Kartel is a very intriguing person. He's very charismatic, talented, and has that gangster persona like that of Tupac, and that is why he's a hit with most music fans. Just by him being a real gangster in a world of fake will be a draw, as he is one of the last of a dying breed that can be translated into dollars, as people are fascinated with that rude boy image. People can relate to him and his struggles, especially ghetto people, because he champions their cause. He is coming from where they are coming from, and even with the negative stigmas associated with his name, the pros outweigh the cons, and that makes him likable and even idolized. 2016 is a very good year for Vybz Kartel so far, with the relaunching and rebranding of his Vybz Kartel rum, the release of his new album King of the Dancehall going #1 in the charts, the launching of his VK clothing line. The only thing left for him is to get a positive outcome on his appeal. Vybz Kartel is separating himself from every other artist in dancehall by the minute. He's a talented artist and a shrewd businessman, and he's an inspiration to all ghetto youth, and proves that even when your back is against the wall, you should not give up throwing that white towel or wave that white flag of surrender. I am one of those persons that like classic name brand clothes and not really one who jumps on bandwagon and fad products and brands. I do not look at Vybz Kartel as a fad. I see him in the league of greatness and would definitely endorse or wear his brand proudly once the quality is good. People, what do you really think about Vybz Kartel coming out with his VK line? Would you wear his brand of clothing, or would you just stick to his music, or would you endorse and support both? Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.